Trish with Easy School Marketing. Today we're going to discuss community. Now, why community and why now? Well, I'm really excited to chat about this because it's something that's coming up in a lot of our end of year surveys and our surveys when we're working with new families and our discussions with families right now. Families want community. And not just the new families, but everyone. It's been a long few years, right? And we just haven't gotten to that place where we're building solid connections within our schools. And so we're seeing this so much right now in all the data that's coming back. So now is the time I would love for you to start thinking about the following things. Number one, now is the time to sit down and plan what community looks like for this upcoming year. So I am talking not just how you want it to feel, but what communications are going to look like. Like, how are you going to communicate to build community and show what's happening in other parts of the school? What's your volunteer program going to look like? What sort of events are you planning for the entire year? And then after you've done that, number two, I want you to look at it through the lens of a parent in each grade. So let's say I'm a first grade parent. How many opportunities do I have to connect with other parents in my class, to get to know the children in my children's class? If you think about it, and if you've ever seen our Connect 4 framework, the importance of connecting on a peer level, so important. It's vital because that's how parents are making friends and more established, connections within the community, and that grade moves with them throughout the years. So important. So looking at it through both the overall strategic plan of what community looks like for you and your school, and then looking specifically at how you're connecting at the peer level, at the all school level. All of that is so important right now. So I encourage you, how are you going to implement community moving forward? I'd love to hear. Now, one final bonus tip for you. A lot of what we heard from about last year was that community really started off strong in the summer with class gatherings and perhaps, grade level gatherings and school-wide gatherings throughout the summer. And then it kind of petered off. And so parents were left hanging. So when you're looking at that strategic planning piece, remember sprinkling strategically throughout the year. So there is always a building of community and a sense of community. That will help you succeed next year. So I'd love to hear from you. What are you doing to build community? Email me at aubrey@easyschoolmarketing.com. Thanks.